how is everyone doing? I hope everyone out there is okay. I am back with a new light bulb that is not going to die on me, so that is a good start. And I have got a Pip Box bonanza, I guess. Pip Box is the cruelty-free beauty box, and last month they went from cruelty-free and or vegan to cruelty-free and vegan and all the good stuff, and that is what they do now. And the box increased to £20, but that was including P&P, but should be better, I guess, or something. I don't know, because I haven't opened last month's box. But not only that, I have two of these things. I don't know which one is which, but one of them is the giveaway Pip Box that I started ages ago, and I'm going to do the draw for that tonight. Here are the names. We're all ready to go. The Hand of Destiny will come in and help us out later. But first, I'm gonna unbox one of these and see what last month's was all about. Do we like that it's gone up to £20? But that's £20 all in, because it was, how much was it before? I think it was worked out about £18 before, including P&P, but now it's going to be just vegan all the time, not vegan or cruelty-free. Do you know what I mean? I'm so not good at explaining. And I guess it's supposed to be better. So this is the giveaway box, and it contains some emery boards, it contains some choosy lemon gum, it contains a lip balm, it's got rejuvenating toner, it's got a full eyeshadow palette, and it's got some towel off shampoo foam. So that is a bunch of good stuff in there that somebody's going to win. So keep watching to find out, because if you entered, I don't know who the winner is. We'll find out later. But for now, let's get into August's Pip Box and see if it's any good. Before we do that, I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to ring that notification bell, and when we're done, it would be great if you could share this video. All right, let's get into it. Your beauty treats are here. Try them, love them, and make the switch to cruelty-free. They also have a thing. I will put my code up now. I think after you get 3 people to sign up, you get a free box, which of course helps my channel, but also gets you a discount on your first box, I believe. I do appreciate the help of everybody that does use my codes to sign up for things, because it does make my life a bit easier. So the new box, it does feel really heavy and it feels a bit bigger, and you get Pip points. So for every box you buy, you get some points, and you can redeem them for Pip vouchers, which you can then spend in the store to buy stuff. And this is our thing. Welcome to our Energize edit with a focus on health, fitness and well-being. Enjoy. With love, the Pip Box team. Oh, and 50p from the sale of the box has been donated to the charity Animal Free Research UK, and that happens every box. Right. So, looks like that. It's too heavy to hold up. This is like Pass the Parcel. I've unwrapped the first layer and I found these. I used to love Pass the Parcel. Fit Pit Natural Deodorant. Oh, okay, good idea. Fit Pit, makes sense. 100% organic, vegan, plastic free. 15% off, and that's valid until the 31st of December. That's 15 Pip 18 for 15% off. Next month's theme is the Zen edit with a focus on well-being, peacefulness and rest. 5 beauty treats plus extras for all subscribers. Well, that's nice. I like extras. Right, what is this? Oh, I've missed this, but it was for Plant-Based Live in September at the Excel Centre, worth £15. Oops, should have opened my box, shouldn't I? And then we've got something from the Mindful Chef, everything you need to make delicious low-carb evening meals. All great, but it's full of bloody nuts. I don't like nuts. Using the code THEPIPBOX. The offer includes £10 off first and second delivery, free recipe book worth £20, free delivery nationwide, 100% money back guarantee, normally £48, just £18 with the code THEPIPBOX. So go to the Mindful Chef. I might do that for the recipe book. I'll see if it's full of nuts or something first. I just don't like the texture and taste of nuts, okay? Right, now we've done that layer, should we get into the next layer? This looks like a Pact box, so let's get opening. Now this, I feel like this was an extra because I think when I got this box, the offer was if you buy it at a certain time, you'll get this cream. And this cream is from Ballade en Provence, and it's their apple scented hand cream, and it's amazing. It smells exactly like a crisp red apple. Like, not a little bit like, not maybe like, it smells as if you have bitten into that apple and it's in your mouth. It's that good. It's just, I love it. I also went and got their pear version from, Amazon, because that's the only place I could find it. And the pear was good, but the scent wasn't so strong, but it was precise, it was a pear. But this, oh, this stuff is so good, and it's a really lovely thick, I haven't even taken this bit out yet, and I can smell it already. Oh, it's amazing. I love that smell of apple. I love that red crunchy apple smell. It's just so good. And when you're done with the tub, you can actually use it for, like, I don't know, jewellery or earrings or something. It's just a really lovely thick cream. Oh goodness. I forgot this was coming. So happy. Me and my husband love this so much. We're both like, can we have the apple? Can you pass me the apple? Rather than using any other hand cream. So happy with that. And I don't share it with guests even because I like it that much. Right. And that is worth £10, £9.99 I believe. Okay, what is this? But that was an extra that not everyone would have got. Human Plus Kind. Okay. This is skincare with a conscience. Wash off facial cleanser with rosehip oil and calendula. 3-in-1. Help reveal a brighter, more refined complexion with our 3-in-1 dreamy, creamy cleanser. It melts away makeup and impurities and gently exfoliates without stripping skin of its natural oils. Use with our super soft cleansing cloth for the ultimate skin pampering experience. For our best results, follow with our day-night cream. It's natural, of course, cruelty-free, of course, it's vegan, of course, because it can't not be in this box, and it's paraben-free and made in Ireland. That's what makes it 3-in-1. Cleans your makeup, exfoliates, I suppose, and the cleansing part. It's just white. Can't really smell anything. I just wanted to put a bit on my hand just to see if I could feel any grains or anything, as it said it exfoliates, but not feeling anything. A very faint smell now. Okay, well, I will give this a try. You don't know till you try. What does our information say? Look, Alex getting dead legs already. Just removes every last trace of makeup, and it's £7.95. I think this is full size. I don't know. You know, I will put it on screen if it's not full size. Okay, what is this big little bottle? Oh, something from Naissance. The only thing I've had from Naissance in the past has been little bottles of argan oil. This is the biggest thing I've ever had. Work It Out massage oil with ginger and black pepper to ease sore muscles. Now this is right up my street because my muscles hurt all the time. I'm permanently strained, like mostly down the left side. So this will be perfect. And what else do I need a husband for except to give me a nice massage, eh? Although he might want one in return. I don't know. Maybe I will fall asleep from that massage and then I won't have to give him one. Is that mean? You see, he can hear me. I don't know if you heard that. He can obviously hear me in there. He knows my plan. He's making noises. At Naissance, we're committed to discovering better, sourcing better ingredients, crafting better blends, and helping you get better results. When it comes to workout remedies, we've got it all worked out. Stay at the top of your game with this ready fix from our Made for Sport range. A soothing blend of ginger and black pepper that we promise your muscles will thank you for. Let's have a sniff. This is starting to feel a little cool on my hand. Not in a bad way, but yeah. Don't know if it's meant to be cooling. Definitely smells of oil. Oh yeah, I'm getting some ginger actually. Cool. Well, that is actually right up my street and something that I need. And it'll be very interesting to see if this it will be very interesting to see if this particular concoction, I don't know what's wrong with me today. It will be very interesting to see if this particular concoction works for my sore muscles. This is £4.49, made by Cooper's Apothecary. Did we have something from these people before? Was it a room spray, maybe? Awaken, grapefruit, orange, black pepper, palmarosa and frankincense atmosphere mist. It's vegan, handcrafted and organic. An uplifting blend of 5 essential oils designed to awaken the soul and lift the spirits. A fruity mix of grapefruit and orange has been blended with stimulating black pepper and palmarosa with base notes of rejuvenating frankincense. Generously mist throughout the air and onto linens to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of the essential oils. Misted myself in the face now. It smells alright. I definitely get the orange. It does smell quite fresh. Might be a nice thing in the morning, I guess, to give yourself a little wake up boost. Fits the theme. This is £6 and you can get 30% off at madebycoopers.co.uk with the code PIP30. So if you want to try some more of their items, go ahead. Okay, what is this? It comes in a little package. Ah, Fitbit. Well, we knew we must have some of this in there, having that card earlier. Natural deodorant. Your 100% organic natural deodorant cream is handmade in England by the Green Woman. It's naturally scented with peppermint and mandarin and is suitable for vegans. Apply a pea-sized amount with fingertips to underarms in the morning or after bathing. Approximately 3 weeks supply. 3 weeks supply, and that is decent. And of course, you can recycle this, so that is quite a lot better than some of the plastics that you can't recycle. It smells very faintly of peppermint, as in not too strong, kind of like you just brushed your teeth kind of scent, do you know what I mean? Rather than it's in your mouth, which is probably good, because I'm not sure how I feel about peppermint being a deodorant smell. I mean, it's fresh, but I just think if it's for teeth. I don't know. But last deodorant like this I did try, I really thought worked and I was quite impressed. Not from this brand, another one, so I'm happy to try this. And this is £4 and you get 20% off with the code PIPBOX20 at greenpeople.co.uk. So worth having a look on there and see if there's anything you fancy. Detox. Looks like that. This tea is perfect for the day after, the night, weekend or month before. Give your body some TLC with this bag of super good green tea blended with milk thistle, dandelion root, ginseng and added B and C vitamins, all blended with natural fruit flavours. Good for you when you want your body back to being a temple again. And yeah, apple, blackcurrant, green tea and vitamins. That sounds nice. It smells alright, a bit dodge but also a bit nice. Sometimes that happens with this kind of tea. This is a bonus item, so it doesn't have a price, but I might look it up anyway. And you get 10% off with the code PIP10 at tplusdrinks.com. And there's also a Vegan Life magazine digital download, and that's worth £3.99. So that was another bonus. Last item is this. This is not an extra, this is part of the official items. And what is it? Benicos Natural Beauty Natural CC Concealer. Okay. So obviously we've got, what is it, green for redness, I can't remember the rest. Is it purple for like brightness? Okay, beige corrects under eye circles, pink anti-dark spots, violet harmonises skin tone and green neutralises redness. So there we go. I could definitely do with a bit of this. And this is £7.95. And it's brand new to market, so we're getting something new and exciting to try. If you've never tried a concealer palette, I would say give them a go, because especially if you're trying to get that flawless look, it does help to cover some stuff up. But I do think that this is an interesting mix of things. I like the theme, and they're things that I'm going to use. Some maybe less than others, maybe the mist less than other things. But I am really looking forward to trying that massage oil, definitely, and the cleanser as well. Smells really good. So I was just doing a little adding up of all my items to get to my final value, and slightly disappointed. So this I thought was a fuller size, since it said it was 3 weeks, but this is actually a quarter size. Normal size is 100ml and this is 25ml. So I said it's worth £8, it's actually worth £2. This is 40ml and full size is 100ml and comes with a cleansing cloth. So this is actually worth £4.80 just based on the cleanser, not including a cloth. But if you bought the full size one, you would get a cloth with it. So that makes my total value £29.33. And the cost of the box is £20. So that's not that great. With 1.5 times the cost, and you know I like it to be 2 times the cost. I did get my red apple included for free, and this is £9.99. I do know that's correct, so for me that makes it double, but for everybody else not so much. Would you include the ticket? I've included the vegan magazine, but I have not included the ticket because I'd have to travel to get there and it would cost me like £40 on the train. So the actual day would not be a free day out, but if you already live in London or you're going to be around there, then it would be more of a free thing. So yeah, but for me, I'm not going to include that. So I do like the items in this box, but I'm not sure the value is 100% there this month. It is very good that they are forging ahead to be a cruelty-free and vegan box, because not everybody is doing that, and of course items are going to be more expensive because you're often getting from smaller brands and things like that. I do understand that, but I really like my boxes to be double the cost price. What do you think? Is this box worth 20 quid or is it not worth 20 quid? Does it make a difference if you really are needing cruelty-free and vegan products? Now, it's that time. It's time for the Arm of Destiny to make an appearance. Should we call him? Arm of Destiny! Alright, let's go. Give him a good swish. Goodness, this is heavy. Right. And the Arm of Destiny has chosen I don't know how to say it. Aisley Kind? Shall we give a round of applause for the Arm of Destiny? I think we should. Thank you very much to my dear husband. Right, congratulations, Aisley. You are the winner. So if you would just like to send me an email or drop me a DM on Instagram or something and let me know what your address is, and I will get this posted out to you hopefully this week. Aisley? Is that how you say it? I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I apologise in advance. I'm not very good at things like that. But yes, you are the winner, so that has made me very happy. I like to give people stuff. But thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to have a little think about the Pip Box and where they're headed, and congratulations again to the winner. And until I see you next time, I hope that you find the positive at some point in every day, at least try to, and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.